Look, the car is preparing to overtake the large truck. At this time, the large truck turns on the left turn signal. After seeing this, the car immediately gave up overtaking and thus escaped disaster. It wasn't until the big truck turned on its right turn signal that the car successfully overtook it. These are life-saving code words for large truck lights. If you don't know the 3 life-saving code words of large truck lights, driving is really dangerous. Save this video. It can save lives at critical moments. First, on a road section with only 2 lanes going in the same direction, if the large truck in front suddenly turns on its left turn signal, but it does not change lanes, but slows down, it means that this big truck reminds you there is an emergency ahead or the road becomes narrow. We must not overtake and must slow down. Second, if a large truck suddenly turns on its left turn signal, it changes lanes into your lane and slows down at the same time. After your speed dropped, he turned on the right turn signal and returned to the original lane. Don't curse others stupidly at this time. The truck driver is reminding you that there is an emergency ahead, asking you to slow down and follow him to the safe passage. Third, if the large truck in front suddenly turns on the left turn signal but does not change lanes, this is to remind you that there is danger ahead on the left side and you cannot overtake at this time. If a large truck turns on its right turn signal, this is a reminder that you can overtake safely. Light up the little red heart on the right for the kind truck driver. Follow me to make a friend who knows cars.